Welcome to Seeds of Thought. Today I want to give you what I call the asset stacking strategy. This strategy will show you how to layer multiple streams until your freedom number is fully funded. Before we begin, I want to explain why asset stacking matters. Building one income stream is powerful, but building only one can be dangerous. What happens if that one client cancels? That one platform changes rules? That one product stops selling? That's why the wealthy build stacks of assets, multiple streams that layer together until their freedom number is secured. Asset stacking is not about doing everything. It's about sequencing assets so each one strengthens the others. This is how you scale from survival to stability, from stability to freedom, and from freedom to legacy. Step 1. Clarify your freedom number. Before you stack, you need to know the size of the tower you're building. Freedom number is the monthly income you need to live life on your terms. Example, if your lifestyle requires $5,000 each month, that is your freedom number. Write it down, circle it. This is your North Star. Step 2. Anchor your first asset. The first stream is the foundation stone. It doesn't need to cover everything. It just needs to prove the model works. Example, you create a digital course that brings in $1,000 each month. That doesn't free you, but it proves I can create something once that pays me again and again. Rule. Do not start a second asset until the first one is stable, predictable, and repeatable. Step 3. Choose your stack sequence. There are 4 primary categories of assets you can stack. 1. Skill-based assets: coaching, consulting, freelancing. Fastest to start. Trade skill for income while building capital. 2. Digital assets: courses, ebooks, memberships, scalable, automated, and high margin. 3. Physical assets: real estate, rentals, products, slower to start but highly reliable once built. 4. Capital assets: stocks, index funds, bonds, real estate trusts, long-term compounding wealth builders. The best stacks usually start with skill or digital assets, then add physical assets, and finally grow into capital assets. Step 4. Layer for leverage. When adding the next stream, ask, does it multiply the first? Example, a coach adds a course. Clients feed into the course. Course buyers may upgrade to coaching. Does it diversify the risk? Example, you have an online product but add rental property to balance digital volatility. Smart stacking means each stream strengthens the others instead of distracting from them. Step 5. Apply the 25% rule. Only add a new asset when your last one is producing at least 25% of your freedom number on a consistent basis. If your freedom number is $5,000 per month, do not stack until one stream produces at least $1,250 per month consistently. This ensures you are stacking stability, not chaos. Step 6. Watching the tower. Stacking without tracking leads to overwhelm. Use a simple monthly check-in. Asset 1 equals $1,000 per month. Asset 2 equals $1,225 per month. Asset 3 equals $1,200 per month. Add them together. Compare the total to your freedom number. Progress feels powerful when you see the asset totals building up month after month. Step 7. Transition from hustle to ownership. At first, you will do more, but as the stack grows, your job is to shift from operator to owner. Automate with systems. Delegate to team members or freelancers. Invest into assets that require less hands-on time. Freedom comes when your assets work harder than you do. This brings us to the compounding power of stacks. One asset alone will not make you free, but the stack will. Skill builds speed. Digital builds scale. Physical builds stability. Capital builds legacy. When your stacked assets equal or exceed your freedom number, the grind is over. From that point on, you are not trading time for money, you are trading assets for freedom. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video where I will give you the asset flywheel, which will show you how to make each new income stream easier, faster, and bigger than the last by using momentum to your advantage. See you in the war room.